Hello students, we are now on the law of acceleration, Newton's second law. Let's define. The acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the magnitude of the net force acting on it and is inversely proportional to its mass. So, if the magnitude or force is greater, acceleration is also greater. But if the mass is greater, then acceleration lessens. Simple, right? Here's an example. Force applied by Newton causes the rock to move only slightly. Newton is obviously smaller compared with this huge rock, so it would only move slightly. Here's another. Force applied by the horse causes the rock to move a greater distance. Since the horse is bigger, it is stronger, so the rock will move at a greater distance. Let's summarize. Newton applies less force, less acceleration is produced. Horse applies more force, more acceleration is produced. Hence, force is proportional to acceleration. Force is directly proportional to acceleration. Uppercase F for force and lowercase a for acceleration. Let's continue. Mass of Newton is less, so applied force is less. Mass of horse is more, applied force is more. Force is directly proportional to mass. Uppercase F for force, lowercase m for mass. Therefore, Newton's second law of motion can be formally stated: the greater the mass of an object, the more force it will take to accelerate the object. Also, in the same way, the lesser the mass of an object, the less force it will take to accelerate the object. For the formula, force is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration, simply F equals ma. Units: Newton for force, kilogram for mass, meter per second squared for acceleration. Let's practice some sample problems. Find the force acting on a 6 kilogram mass accelerating at 2 meter per second squared. Write the given first, then the formula, finally your solution. Then you will arrive with the answer of 12 kilogram meter per second squared, or simply 12 Newton. Another one. Calculate the mass of an object when a force of 500 Newton produces an acceleration of 5 meter per second squared. Write the given, force and acceleration, and then our formula would be mass equals force divided by acceleration. Do remember that. Then our solution, so we have that division, and we will arrive at an answer of mass equal to 100 kilograms. Moving on, 3 important things to remember. A force of an object will cause it to accelerate. Second, this acceleration is directly proportional. And third one, this acceleration is inversely proportional to mass. To discuss it further, let's understand direct and inverse proportions. The acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net applied force and inversely proportional to the mass, which means if force increases, acceleration also increases. This is directly proportional. While if mass decreases, acceleration increases. This is called inversely proportional. These two relationships are combined in Newton's second law. Finally, please copy an answer in your activity notebook and show the complete solution. Thanks for watching, students. See you in our next lesson.